Hello, and welcome to Necto demonstration, how IT department can better manage and analyze incidents, usage, SLAs, and so on. As an IT manager, I make a decision when I'm analyzing all relevant information in one place, in Necto. Here is a workboard that my team and I are using for this matter. On the left, I have a chart that is following the total number of incidents in the last 2 quarters. According to the map presented here, I can see the number of incidents according to my branches and its size. So I can see, for example, that in Dallas I have a small branch with a large number of incidents, and in Vegas I have a huge branch of ours, but the number of incidents is very small. I also have a KPI that shows me whether there is a breach in SLAs, and a grid that presents the number of incidents and the ratio between employees and incidents. But the first thing I notice here is that I have an increase from Q1 to Q2 in the total number of incidents. So I would like to take a look at the information itself. And I can see now that I have a lot of numbers. I want to know what other people are thinking of this workboard. So I'll click on the comment button and I will see other people's comments. So I can see here that I have a link to tips on VPNs. And I can also see that Evgeny is mentioning that Vegas is top priority since our management team is sitting there. This is where our headquarters is located. So what I will do now is I want Necto to focus me on where it's relevant. So I'll click on one-click insight. And I can see that Necto immediately shows me that I have a huge increase in VPN incidents from Q1 to Q2. If I look at the KPI on the right here, I can see that there's no breach in SLAs, so this probably isn't the cause. So what I can do now is start slicing and dicing and analyzing this situation and why has it been such a huge increase from Q1 to Q2. But I want Necto to do it for me, so I'll click on cause and effect. And now Necto found what might be the root cause of the issue. So I can see that I have a problem in switches in Dallas. I have increasing incidents in switches in Dallas, as well as in our branch in Besta, which is also in Dallas. And I can also see that it's high priority. Now I found out that most of our issues of incidents are in Dallas, and it's related to the switch. So I know that in Dallas we actually didn't upgrade to the new release in switches. We chose to do that because it's our smallest branch. So we'll go back to the workboard and take a look at Dallas. And as we saw before, Dallas is our smallest branch, but it has a very large amount of incidents. So I want to understand who is the person that is most affected from these incidents. I know it's the smallest branch, but I still want to know who is affected from it. So I can click on Find People. Once I click on Find People, Necto tries to understand who is the person that is most affected from this issue. Since Necto can connect to various different data sources, it now connects to the security database, which is a totally different database in my organization. And now I see that actually Adam is most affected from it. It identifies where Adam connected from, and that's why it can show me that Adam connected through this small branch, and he was the one that is most affected. And this is very critical information since I can see that Adam is our CEO. Now I can add him to the grid. So I can see that Adam calls actually has increased between Q1 and Q2. Now I'd like to see if there's any other information that might be relevant for me. So I'll click on the advisor. And what the advisor just did is understand what information I was looking at. And according to that, viewers that viewed the information I was looking at also viewed different other workboards that might be relevant for me. But it also understands the information itself I was looking at, and by that present to me similar workboards. So I'll click on this other incidents workboard according to products. Now I can see a different workboard that analyzes the number of incidents according to products. So I can see the managers that opened most incidents, and I can see the products that have incidents according to priorities. So now I can go ahead and continue my analysis using automated data discovery capabilities as we did before. I can connect to additional data sources that might be relevant for this analysis, and I can collaborate with other people and add my comments. Thank you for watching.